Peekaboo Farm Animals. I have long ears and 2 large front teeth. I hop around the farm to find delicious carrots to eat. I am a rabbit. I am pink and have a short and curly tail. Okay. I'm known to be messy, but I'm just having fun. I am a oink oink pig. Every day I crow, cock-a-doodle-doo. I strut around the farm. I am a rooster. Every day the farmer gets milk from me. I chew grass and say, moo. I am a cow. I have yellow feathers and say, cheep, cheep, cheep. I am just a baby, but one day I will be big. I am a chick. Every day I go to the farm and play with my animal friends, the rabbit, pig, rooster, cow, and chick. I am a child.